Before we dive into all the fantastic features that the cloud is going to introduce, it's obvious that that cloud is going to get connected to that fantastic lineup of cores that we just talked about. What I want to do is take a step back and set the stage for our broader vision for the cloud and what it really means. So when we say cognitive cloud, what does that mean and how are we going to get there? So as a reminder, that full stack AV really has three components to it. There's that multimodal I/O. That's the eyes and the ears that produce like really rich data coming out of that space. The controller at the edge, that is our core lineup, and the actuators in that space that can interact together to create new and exciting experiences. When you take that edge core and connect it to the cloud, you have an opportunity to build a secure cognitive layer that is regionalized, it has data integrity, and it supports the technology dreams that we have to really enable experiences when we come together in our built spaces. So I encourage us really, when we think about the cloud, to go beyond that traditional sort of monitoring, management, and live status light sort of readout. We want to set a North Star that's well beyond that. The cloud really is technology that's unconstrained by the traditional on-premise hardware. So when that happens, you are free now to dream about how we leverage all the innovations and the technology roadmaps that drive us to an intelligent cloud layer into the room for a new experience. So imagine a Q SYS platform, for example, that's really bidirectionally connected to the cloud continuously, low latency, data integrity flowing to that cloud platform. And in that cloud, you have the ability to analyze with true machine intelligence, drive inference so you can maybe predict issues before they even arise in that space. You could suggest efficiencies and even action in that space. So imagine now a space where we're able to start to address some of those really grand challenges in the AV market as a community because we have had the ability to build that full stack AV platform. This allows us to really react to end user needs in real time in ways that you just haven't even been able to envision before. So that's a North Star that's quite broad. If today you're a Reflect user, you know that it's already a solid cloud management platform. It has some really, really great features. But you've also been asking us to accelerate our roadmap and take us on the journey towards that vision, where the cloud is truly a cognitive and intelligent partner in this space. So we needed to take a step back and build a foundational architecture that had to be put in place so that Reflect could drive towards that aspirational future, okay? So that took a little bit of bravery and patience. Bravery from us, patience on your part, while we went back and re-architected components to prepare for this new generation of AV intelligence. That 10-0 journey that we have been on has been very interesting. So we had 30 different Scrum teams working to deliver over 400 components. And we really had to go through this journey of addressing new features, advanced features, and known issues to get them out of the way so we had a solid infrastructure to be now poised to go after this ability to leverage intelligence in the cloud. That represented over 35,000 developer hours focused on stability and the future. So we were actually following the same development process many of you have heard me talk about before in the 9.13 release that focused heavily on stability, and that process really resulted in one of our most stable releases yet, and I think you'll see that that process continues. So the first outcome of this new architecture is really the decoupling of the Reflect roadmap and its ability to release features to you, like you've asked for us to accelerate, from the designer development cycle that we will continue to go along. So that frees us now to pursue, with energy and alacrity, this new vision.